नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू ए न्यू ब्लॉग। तो आज मैं ले आया हूँ आपको केंद्रीय विद्यालय हमीरपुर में, और आज आपको दिखाया जाएगा। यहाँ पे आज एनुअल इंस्पेक्शन है और मेरे बच्चे भी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, तो बने रहेगा वीडियो में अंत तक। और मैं आपको इस स्कूल की प्रोसेसिंग दिखाऊंगा कि सरकारी स्कूलों में जो क्या सिस्टम होता है। और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को भी दबा लें, ताकि समय समय पर जो है मेरे द्वारा डाली गई वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute.
Good morning. नमस्कार, थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो सब करो स्वाति मैम।
कलपाटी सावधान, कलपाटी सल्यूट। महोदय, केंद्रीय विद्यालय हमीरपुर के प्रांगण में आपका स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
कलपाटी धीमी चाल चल दो। हर हर
जय जय
हर हर
जय जय
हर हर
जय जय। स्वागत है, स्वागत है, स्वागत है, स्वागत है, स्वागत है। महोदय जी प्रांगण में आए, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने आए। महोदय जी प्रांगण में आए, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने आए। महोदय जी प्रांगण में आए, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने आए।
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is, be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. The thought means that the people can come by success by a variety of ways, by being born into a successful family, by working hard to earn success, or by having it bestowed upon them by an outside person or circumstance. Thank you and have a nice day.
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा है, दुनिया का कोई ज्ञान बाहर से नहीं मिलता, सब भीतर से ही आता है। नमस्कार, आज के मुख्य समाचार। सबसे पहले कुछ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समाचार। इस वर्ष 88 अरब डॉलर को पार कर जाएगा भारत यूएई के बीच व्यापार। नेपाल चुनाव, सत्तारूढ़ नेपाली कांग्रेस ने अब तक 4 सीटों पर जीत दर्ज की। अमेरिका के उपराष्ट्रपति कमला हैरिस ने मंगलवार को विवादित दक्षिण चीन सागर के पास मौजूद पश्चिमी फिलीपीन के द्वितीय प्रांत प्यूर्तो प्रिंसेसा का दौरा किया। अमेरिका में कर्मचारियों की छंटनी से भारतीयों को हुआ सर्वाधिक नुकसान। अब कुछ राष्ट्रीय समाचार।
भारत के साथ दोस्ती की मिसाल पेश करेगा रूस। न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी को लेकर सहयोग का प्रस्ताव। भारत सेना गुलाम कश्मीर को वापस लेने को तैयार, अब बस आदेश का है इंतजार। उत्तरी कमान के प्रमुख का बयान। विद्यालयों में अब प्री प्राइमरी से ही बच्चे पढ़ेंगे सड़क सुरक्षा, जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग जैसे विषय होंगे शामिल। प्रदेश स्तर पर अल्पसंख्यकों की पहचान के मुद्दे पर 14 राज्यों ने भेजे विचार। सुप्रीम कोर्ट से केंद्र को 6 हफ्तों का वक्त। अब कुछ व्यापारिक समाचार। मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ ने दुनिया भर के निवेशकों को दिया उत्तर प्रदेश में निवेश का न्योता। 1 पर 3 बोनस शेयर देते ही निवेशक हुए मालामाल। हर दिन 20% चढ़ रहा भाव। विदेशी मुद्रा भंडार में 1 वर्ष की सबसे तेज वृद्धि। देश के विदेशी मुद्रा भंडार 544.72 अरब डॉलर पर पहुंचा। अब कुछ खेल समाचार।
फीफा वर्ल्ड कप, फ्रांस ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराया, 4-1 से जीत की दर्ज। नहीं दिखा मेसी मैजिक, अर्जेंटीना की बड़ी हार। लियोनल के गोल के बावजूद सऊदी अरब ने अर्जेंटीना को 2-1 से हराया। भारत न्यूजीलैंड के बीच वर्षा से बाधित तीसरा मैच टाई, भारत ने 1-0 से जीती सीरीज। स्थानीय समाचार। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन गुरुग्राम संभाग द्वारा गठित निरीक्षण दल श्री आर प्रमोद, सहायक आयुक्त केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की अध्यक्षता में केंद्रीय विद्यालय हमीरपुर का वार्षिक अकादमिक निरीक्षण करेंगे। अंत में मौसम संबंधी जानकारी।
आज के मौसम पूर्व अनुमान। दक्षिण पश्चिम बंगाल की खाड़ी के ऊपर बना हुआ दबाव पिछले 6 घंटों के दौरान लगभग 12 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की गति से उत्तर पश्चिम दिशा में आगे बढ़ा। 30 नवंबर में अंडमान और निकोबार द्वीप समूह में बारिश की गतिविधियां तेज होने की उम्मीद है। कहीं कहीं भारी बारिश के साथ हल्की से मध्यम बारिश भी हो सकती है। रायलसीमा और दक्षिणांतरिक कर्नाटक में हल्की बारिश संभव है। अगले 2 से 3 दिन के दौरान उत्तर पश्चिम, मध्यम और पूर्वी भारत के कुछ हिस्सों में दिन और रात के तापमान में और गिरावट आ सकती है। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिन।
Good morning. Today's new word perseverance. Its spelling is Perseverence. It's a noun. Its meaning is persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success. In sentence, perseverance is falling 19 times and succeeding 20. Thank you.
विद्यालयों सावधान, विश्राम, विशेष कार्यक्रम।
हीरे को तलाश दे तो कीमत बढ़ जाती है। जो विद्याधन पास हो तो जिंदगी संवर जाती है। यदि फल फूल रखो भगवान के आगे तो प्रसाद बन जाता है, और यदि शिष्य झुके गुरु के आगे तो इंसान बन जाता है। नमस्कार, मैं अंशिका शर्मा 9वीं ब कक्षा की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता लेकर उपस्थित हुई हूँ, जो कुछ इस प्रकार से है। वह खून कहो किस मतलब का, वह खून कहो किस मतलब का, जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं। वह खून कहो किस मतलब का, जो आ सके देश के काम नहीं। वह खून कहो किस मतलब का, जिसमें जीवन का रवानी है, जो परवश
होकर बहता है वो, खून नहीं पानी है। उस दिन लोगों ने सही सही खून की कीमत पहचानी थी। जिस दिन सुभाष ने बर्मा में मांगी उनसे कुर्बानी की, बोले स्वतंत्रता के खातिर बलिदान तुम्हें करना होगा। जी चुके तुम जग में बहुत, पर आगे तुम्हें मरना होगा। आजादी के चरणों में जो जयमाल चढ़ाई जाएगी, वह तुम्हारे ही शीशों के फूलों से गूंथी जाएगी। आजादी का संग्राम कहीं पैसों से खेला जाता है, यह शीश कटाने का सौदा है, नंगे सर झेला जाता है। यूं कहते कहते वक्ता की आंखों में खून उतर आया। उस दिन तारों ने देखा था हिंदुस्तानी विश्वास नया, जब लिखा महारणवीरों ने अपने खून से इतिहास नया, जब लिखा महारणवीरों ने अपने खून से इतिहास नया। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
सावधान, विश्राम, सावधान, मांस पीटी।
Classes, half righter. Get ready for mass PD. Half left turn.
विद्यालय, विश्राम, सावधान, समूह गीत।
सभी
It's what we do in between that matters. Book title, Suhail Dev, The King Who Saved India. Author, Amish Tripathi, accession number 10694. After captivating reading of the Shiva trilogy and Ramchandra series, Legends of Suhail Dev, The King Who Saved India has aroused a thirst for its sequel. The book has set an example of unity in diversity with respect to region, religion, caste creed, kings and saints and many more. I am really thrilled with surprises, suspense, joy of unsaid romance and betrayal. All these elements keep you bound to turn pages one after another. Mixture of faith, wisdom, warfare tactics, patriotism, loyalty, bravery make it an amazing, astounding and highly inspirational writing. Fictional and non-fictional writings of Amish, as always, lucid and compelling. Meticulous detailing of characters and events make things lively. It would have been saddening for me if I would have not read this book. So, anyone who wants to enjoy all these and enrich their intellect are recommended to read this book along with the Shiva trilogy and Ramchandra series, available bilingually in our Vidyalaya library, The Ocean of Knowledge. Darkness does not win because it's strong. It wins because the land stopped fighting. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Well, to get this opportunity to welcome our esteemed Assistant Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Gurgaon Region, Shri R. Pramod, Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Yolcan, Shri Girish Chand, Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Chandi Mandir, Shri Keval Singh, Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Naleti, Miss Swati Agrawal, Principal Kendriya Vidyalaya Mandi, Shri Ajit Singh Yadav, and HM Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Ambala, Shri Anil Kumar, on the occasion of annual panel inspection of Kendriya Vidyalaya Hamirpur. It is a great day, the one we all have been waiting for and planning for. And as I look around the stage, I am in awe with the collected expertise gathered here, 6 pleasing inspectors to view the record of our success. Once again, we are deeply honored to offer the most convivial welcome to the esteemed guests present here. Respected dignitaries, we could confidently show you the proof of even the tiny leaves of the plant around us, shaped in the form of deference. Serenity is their starch and courtesy is their chlorophyll. This is more than enough to prove that our Vidyalaya is an encyclopedia of virtue. But this miraculous Valley formation was not possible without our leader, that is our principal, Shri Sunil Chauhan sir. I request our worthy principal sir to please come here and accord a formal welcome to the esteemed guests. Principal sir.
Good morning, beta. As madam said, it is a great day. Really, it is a great day. Today we have with us a galaxy of educationists. We have with us respected Shri R. Pramod ji, Assistant Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Gurgaon Region, and other respected members, Shri Girish Chand, Principal KV Olkand, Shri Kebal Singh, Principal KV Chandimandir No. 2, Madam Swati Agarwal, Principal KV Naleti, Shri Jeet Kumar Yadav, Principal KV Mandi, and Anil Kumar, Headmaster KV No. 2, Ambala. I extend a warm, hearty welcome to the entire team. Dear children, annual panel inspection, it is a very important activity in the schedule of every Kendriya Vidyalaya. The motto of this annual activity is to guide the Vidyalaya, is to motivate the Vidyalaya. In nutshell, I can say the motto is to help us. So today the team is with us. Definitely at the end of day, the team will come up with good suggestion and the suggestion will add in our success. Children, you are the future of tomorrow, and we all are committed for quality education. We all are committed for your all-round development, and I am ensuring the quality education in CCA, in sports, in academics. Sir, if I talk regarding our achievements of last session, so I start with the academics. In class 10th, there were 78 students, 76 they passed to got compartments in math. The PI it was 58.40. In class 12th, we have two streams, science stream and commerce stream. There were 71 students. The average PI is 60.95. In science stream, it was 70.4, and in commerce, it is 47.92. This year, we are committed to produce more than 70 PI, and anyhow, we are on the way to produce. Sir, this Vidyalaya is surrounded with 9 other Vidyalayas. They all are CBSE affiliated, and in Hamirpur, district Hamirpur, it is the hub of education. So from all corners, the students they come to get education here. So it is also a matter of showing good things. Now regarding the competitive examination, sir, we have framed a special cell of teachers. They are dedicated to conduct the external examination like Science Olympiad, Maths Olympiad, and other competitive examinations. Last year we have 42 students in science stream, and out of these 42 students, 4 they selected in NEET, 4 they selected in IIT JEE Mains. Now they are in NIT Hamirpur. 2 they qualified written examination for NDA, and 4 students faced SSB through JEE Mains score. Now other achievements in sports are: total 104 students participated at regional level, and at there they bagged 32 gold medal, 32 bronze medal, and 13 silver medal. 47 students participated at the next stage, that is at national level, and I am happy to share with you that under 14 basketball team and under 14 kabaddi team and under 17 basketball team is from this Vidyalaya, and 3 students they are selected at Open National. Now regarding Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, last year 3 students of this Vidyalaya they visited Kerala under cultural exchange program. And this year this Vidyalaya, it was a venue for Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat at cluster level. So 39 students of this Vidyalaya participated at cluster level Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. 20 they participated at regional level and 2 are selected for national level. Now the infrastructure and what the construction work, sir. The construction of stage right now where we are standing, sir. This stage it was constructed 2 years back and right now it is under construction. So many stakeholders contributed for this. We got 1.65 lakh from parents and teachers, 6.8 lakh from DC Hamirpur and 2 lakh from local Panchayat Jhanera. Local Panchayat Jhanera has also constructed a rain harvesting tank costing of rupees 2.5 and also they have built a Danga boundary wall for playground that cost approximately for 5 lakh. And sir, we have also got rupees 97 lakh from KVS headquarters for special repair of this Vidyalaya. The headquarters has issued this rupees for tiling work of this ground floor, first floor and also where the students they are sitting. So this was all about the construction and the infrastructure. Again, I welcome all the team members and sir, again I am very sure that at the end of this day, we will get some fruitful add-on suggestions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. The good heart of the sky distributes its richness to all the nations equally, but the utility of this richness, of this natural gift, it depends on the attitude of the bowl that receives it. And sir, our students, they are a band of fertile land to absorb all that is valuable. With gracious looks, they are eager to listen to you. So I request our esteemed Assistant Commissioner, sir, to kindly come here and bless our students. Assistant Commissioner, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to all of you. Members of the inspection team, venue principal, learned staff members, and my dear children. It gives me immense pleasure to be here on this annual inspection day of your school. On behalf of the entire inspection team, I congratulate you for all the credentials you got and for all the achievements of the teachers and children during the academic year 21-22. Your board results, I have been hearing the report read by your principal. So many children, many of you have got very good credentials in this previous year. And on behalf of the entire team, I congratulate you. I congratulate all of you for your achievements. And we hope that this year also the achievements will continue. And as already your performance index is touching 70, so we will be hoping it for more this year. +5. Wherever your performance index is, now whatever your performance index you get now, +5 is the target given to you. Overall, we have given commitment to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan headquarters that Gurugram region will give 100% result in class 10th and 12th and 60% PA for the whole region. Very well executed, thought was given. It shows that you are ready for an inspection. There was no casual approach, there was no lacuna anywhere, there was no lapses at any point of time. We give congratulations to all the CCA in charges, teachers, whoever have made a contribution to this morning assembly. Give them a big hand. Once again, give them a big hand. Continue your good work. The special item was good, book review was good, yoga display was excellent, mass PT was good. All items were given in an effective way. See, morning assembly should be very, very vibrant in Kendriya Vidyalayas. It is unique for our KVs and JVs. We don't have other schools, they don't have this type of vibrant morning assembly. Therefore, you have to see that your morning assembly takes place every day. It should not be a show for a one day. It should not be a show for a panel academic inspection. It should be a daily activity. Daily special items should be, you must have innovative ideas, innovative special items you must show in your morning assembly. Science activity, mathematics activity, role play, mains, book review, all these should form part of your morning assembly as a special item, right? You have to bring out your talents here, and we want you to at least, everyone should come to the morning assembly at least once in a year. That should be your motto. Nobody should be left out. From class 1 to class 12, every child at least once in a year, you have to come to the stage and you have to show your talent, you have to participate in any of the activity. KVS is conducting so many activities for you, so many competitions, so many activities. You have to participate with a positive attitude towards it and see that you go to greater heights. The Vidyalaya is offering a lot of opportunities to you. Take these opportunities and see that you come out successful in your career. Okay? So, at the beginning it was told, some are born great, some achieve greatness, some have greatness thrust upon them. Correct? Very good. We don't know whether we are born great or not. Right? So that point to leave it. And we don't want greatness to be thrust upon them. That is bad. To a certain extent it is correct. Good. See, greatness thrust upon them means people will flatter us. You are this one, you are that one, you are very great, you only can do all these things. They will flatter us. Doing that flattery we should not take into consideration. We should achieve greatness. We have to achieve greatness of our own activities, our own efforts. So with this, once again I congratulate all of you. Let noble thoughts come to us from all these sides. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us.
तो आपने देखा किस तरह से जो है केंद्रीय विद्यालय में मॉर्निंग असेंबली का शुभारंभ हुआ था और इसमें बच्चों ने बढ़ चढ़ कर भाग लिया। अलग अलग आपने एक्टिविटी देखी। तो वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और मिलते हैं किसी ऐसे नए शानदार एजुकेशनल ब्लॉग के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय हिमाचल।